What is computer client system configuration? It is the process of setting the computers to specify and organize client computers within the network. This allows you to apply the required settings for every computer client in accordance with manufacturer's instructions and end-user preferences.
MLQH's afternoon everyone. I am Lance Sergeant by Liwanag from Rizal, and I am going to show you how to configure computer client system. The first step in computer client system configuration is to set up the system's time and date. For you to be able to set up the system's time and date, right-click on the area of the time and date located on the lower part of your screen, and then select Adjust Date and Time. If you want to automatically set the system's time and date, you need to click on the Set Time Automatically. Today is Sunday, March 28, 2021. The time is 1:31 p.m. But if you want to set up the system's time and date manually, you need to think of first the Set Time Automatically, and then select Set the Date and Time Manually. So today is March 28, 2021, and the time is 1:31 p.m. Select the Change button to save the changes. For me, I want my computer to set the system's time and date automatically, so I will click on the Set Time Automatically. After that, you are now done in configuring the system's time and date. The second step in computer client system configuration is to set up the computer's name and workgroup. For you to be able to set up the computer's name and workgroup, just go to the Start menu and type this PC. After typing, you will see an icon. You need to right-click on it and select Properties. After opening, locate the Rename this PC and click it. After clicking, you need to type your desired computer description. After that, select Change. After selecting, you will see the computer name or domain changes. You need to type your desired computer name as well as the work. After typing the computer name and workgroup, select OK. Wait for a few minutes. Welcome to the Rizal workgroup. So as you can see, you must restart your computer to apply these changes. To apply the changes we have made, we need to restart the computer. I am now done restarting my computer. Let's see if the computer's name and workgroup have changed. So go to the Start menu and type this PC. Right-click the icon and select Properties. Locate the Rename this PC and click it. So as you can see, the computer's description is for performance task, and the computer name is Liwanag and the workgroup is Rizal. So it means that the computer name and workgroup have changed. We can now move on to the next step. The third step in computer client system configuration is to install network drivers. My laptop doesn't have CD-ROM, so I will not able to show the updating and installing of the network drivers through CD. I will update the network adapters through device drivers online and through Windows Update. So let's start with the update device drivers online. So the first step is to go to the start menu and search this PC. You will see an icon, right click on it and select manage. Wait for a few seconds. Locate and select device manager. After selecting the device manager, locate and select network adapters. You will see different network adapters. For example, I will update the wireless network adapter. I will right click on it and select update driver. I will select search automatically for drivers. As you can see, it is stated that the network adapter is currently updated and is no need to be updated. Let's proceed to the next procedure. Updating network adapters through Windows Update. To update the network drivers through Windows Update, just go to the Start menu and type Windows Update. Click the icon. After opening, select Check for Updates. Since it is already updated, we don't need to update it more. We can now proceed to the next step. And since we are done in updating our network drivers, we can now proceed in configuring our network settings. For us to be able to configure our network settings, we need first to locate the network adapter icon. It is usually located on the lower part right of the screen. This is the network adapter icon. Right click on it and select Open Network and Internet Settings. After opening it, we need to locate and select Change Adapter Options. After opening it, we can see our current active network adapter. My laptop is connected in the internet wirelessly, so I am using wireless network adapter. Right click on it and select Properties. After selecting Properties, we need to locate and select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. After selecting it, select Properties. Tick or select the Use the following IP address. If we don't know what our current network configuration is, we can access the command prompt by pressing the Windows and R buttons simultaneously. Type CMD and click OK. Use the ipconfig command. Hit enter. So my current IP address is 192.168.100.67 and my default gateway is 192.168.100.1. So my default gateway is 192.168.100.1. So for example, I will use the IP address 192.168.100.55. The first 3 octets of our default gateway should be the same on the first 3 octets of our IP address. Right-click on the subnet mask. We can use the default gateway in our preferred DNS server, 192.168.100. Click OK and select Close. To see if our network configuration had changed, access the command prompt by pressing again the Windows and R button simultaneously. Type CMD and click OK. Use again the ipconfig command. Hit enter. So as you can see, IP address is now 192.168.100.55. After we configure our network settings, we can now test our internet connection. Access the command prompt by pressing the Windows and R button simultaneously. Type CMD, click OK. Use the ping command and type our IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.100.55. Hit enter. That is the configuration of my network. And now we are done in configuring computer client system. That's all. Thank you for watching.